Hey, what's going on? It's Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. Today, I just wanted to do a quick update video on Alladsworks. This is a rev share platform. All you have to do is be able to click your 10 ads per day to participate in the rev share portion of this business. It's very simple to do. I've been working this program in the background here for maybe a little over a month or so. I haven't really been doing that much with the platform, but I'm gonna show you guys basically how much I've earned so far and what's been going on. It's not set the world on fire type money as of yet, but this is just something that I'm playing around with in the background. Also, if you guys are looking for a platform to get involved with to start making a little extra money on the side, whether it be part-time or full-time, this might be something you want to take a look at. But like I say in all of my videos, make sure that you do your due diligence and your own research on any platform that you get in on this online space. Because guys, like I said, you want to make sure you have all the information that you can get before you join anything on the internet. But guys, let's get right into this video and I'll show you exactly what I have going on right now. So yes, I started, yeah, on August 13th. So it's been a little over 2 months. Right now, I have 12 active ad packs, and there's four different ad packs that you can start off with. There's a $10, a $20, a $40, and a $60 ad pack, which those max out. I believe the 10 maxes out at 50, the 20 maxes out at 100, the 40 maxes out at 400, and the 60s are unlimited. You can get as many as you want. So guys, like I said, this has pretty much been running in the background. As you see, I have 12 active ad packs, and on those 12 active ad packs, I have earned so far $352.20. Like I said, it's not set the world on fire type money, but this is something that you can use to be able to use a little bit of this money to invest in other ventures that you're doing, and that's exactly what I do. What I currently do is I build up this account and I use a portion of it to reinvest, and I also use a portion of it to buy traffic for my main offer that I'm in. If you guys don't know that, you can go back and check out my YouTube channel and see the other opportunities that I'm in. But yeah, guys, this right here, we're having fun with it. It's running like clockworks. Every ad pack pays out between 1.5% to 2%. Sometimes they pay out more, but it's not a guarantee. It just depends on how much of how much the company pretty much makes for the day, and that's what it bases it off on your percentage. So the 2% or 2.5% is not guaranteed, but on average it's around 2% per day, which is awesome. So just say for instance, if you wanted to start out and you bought a $60 ad pack, which are the ones that I'm currently buying, I'm not dealing with any of the other ad pack plans. I just went for the 60. But if you get involved and you want to start, I highly recommend that you start with the 60 and kind of slow play it. A strategy that you can use, which can work for you, especially if you're not good at recruiting people or you don't want to build a team. You can do this 100% passively and still earn a significant amount of money if you just put some time and work in it and let this thing build up. You can start seeing significant amount of gains in it if you do the right steps. And what I highly recommend that you do, if you ever get involved or you choose to pick this particular program to to sign up and start reaping the benefits from it, what I would suggest that you do is you come in and start with one ad pack and just see how the system works. And then once you start getting the business up and running and you see how everything goes, what you can do is just, you can pull out a little money every week to buy you more ad packs. So just say, for instance, if you bought one $60 ad pack to start off, you'll roughly be making about $1.20 a day. And like I said, that's not guaranteed, but roughly about $1.20 a day. So what you can do is you can let that, build up. You can let it build up for, 7 days or a week or whatnot. And then you can just come out of pocket a little bit and add some more funds to it to be able to buy buy another pack. And that's how I highly recommend that you do it. So that way you can get your packs built up a lot faster versus just waiting for that one pack to add up. Because if you spend the $60 on buying one pack, you will your earnings would be $72. So it's basically you give me $60 and I give you 72 back, which is $12. So that's what gives you that 2%, which is a good thing. And those packs literally run for about 60 days. So if you want to do that, you can do it. But like I said, I highly recommend that you go in and you buy your first pack or two or whatever you can afford at the time. And then you can just slow play it and start building up your ad packs and get them up as quickly as possible. So that way you can start seeing the benefits of this program. And also, I would stack up as many ad packs as you can. And when you reach a certain amount of ad packs, depending on what you want to do, then you'll want to let your account build up, and then you'll be able to start taking out a little bit of your seed money, which means the money that you put in to get your money back that you put into the program, and then compound the rest. And then once you start getting your money out of the system and you get it, back in your pocket, then you can just use your profits to go ahead and start compounding this particular business. And once you start compounding it, the more and more money you'll start seeing. And so you can find a goal where you want to be, where if you're comfortable at 50, $60 ad packs, 100, 200, whatever you're comfortable. Even if you get up to 100 ad packs, you can still see a decent amount of money. You can pull out half of that and you can compound the rest of it. Whatever your strategy is, you can do a 50-50 split, you can do a 60-40 split, you can do a 70-30 split. You put 70 in your pocket, put 30 back in the program, and start seeing some more, start seeing some more income coming in if you choose to do that. Me personally, I do a 50-50 split. So that way I compound half of it and I put the other half in my pocket. And then I use a portion of what I put in my pocket to, like I said earlier in the video, to buy traffic or to fund other businesses that I'm in. Because it's basically like, you're printing money. You're printing money. Your ad packs is replenishing every single day, or your account is replenished every single day. So once you get to a certain status, then you'll be able to start seeing the power of this business. And I mean, it'll be like gangbusters. It'll be just like you have your own money printing press in your house, and that you can get up, and it doesn't take you long to doesn't take you long to get into this program and do it. Because literally, guys, I'm only on this program maybe 5 to 10 minutes a day. And if I'm on here a little bit longer, that's probably because either I'm buying packs or I'm withdrawing funds out. And they also, they pay super quick between, 2 to 3 days. You'll see your money in your account. So you guys, if you want to get involved, and I highly recommend that you do, but like I said, do your own research, do your own due diligence, make sure this is something that's for you, that if you want to get involved in, to do something a part-time, even if you have a job or whatnot, you can still do this program from your cell phone. So how easy is that? So if you're at work, you can literally pull your phone up, you can click your 10 ads a day, you can buy more ad packs, you can do all of this from your cell phone. So that makes it a whole lot easier. So you don't have to just sit there in front of a computer every single day, all day. It's very easy to maintain. It's very easy to use. And guys, like I said, I would highly recommend that you get involved in this company and start working part-time to build this. And this will also help you get a kind of an idea of what you have to look forward to on this, this online space, because this program allows you to have time to learn how to become a marketer, to learn how to promote your business if that's what you want to do, and start building your network, and you'll be able to see the other side of the fence. So guys, once again, this is Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self Made Millionaire Success Group, and I will see you guys in the next video.